Hello, I'm Phil. Welcome to Guitar Fun Style. And I have a very special setup here, anyway, we want to look at how to perform a hammer. And I'm going to demonstrate this hammer just like this. Not only hammered, but produced the note. Now I could get two notes for the price of one by striking the string and hammering. And now I got two notes. I could also do a double hammer, and that goes Now for this train kept a rolling piece, I'm going to use my Fing 1 of my left hand to hammer for the first notes. That's down, up, hammer, down, up, hammer, down, down, hammer, down, hammer, down, up, hammer, down, down, hammer, down, hammer. There's our Fing 3. 1, 2, 3. Down, up, hammer, down, down, hammer, down, hammer, down, up, hammer, down, down, hammer, down, hammer, down, 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 hammer, down, 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 hammer, down, down, hammer, down. And you may have caught that this last piece, that's Fing 1 at fret 5, down hammer, down, down hammer onto Fing 3, down, down hammer. Now notice my middle finger, Fing 2, is on fret 3.